Silver's market is heating up again. Analysts across the spectrum are posting bold forecasts, from near-term targets around $55 to long-term predictions beyond $200. Let's break down what these experts are seeing and why this moment might define the next big move in precious metals. Post by Popeye Charts. Silver remains extremely overbought. How much further can it stretch? Next key area on the Elliott Wave roadmap sits around $55 to $57, where a primary wave 3 is expected to complete. This analysis points to a technical climax in silver's Elliott Wave pattern. According to Popeye Charts, we're currently in the final leg of Wave 3, which often represents the strongest impulsive phase of a bull market. However, describing silver as extremely overbought signals short-term caution, meaning the market could see volatility before stabilizing near the $55 to $57 range. Post by Tim Hack. Silver just punched a hole in the 1980 ATH. All that's left now is 2011. There is high risk of a gap up developing and thus an extreme risk for shorts. Tim Hack highlights a historic breakout, silver finally breaching its 1980 all-time high, a level untouched for decades. The mention of a gap up suggests that strong momentum could push prices even higher unexpectedly, which could be dangerous for short sellers betting against the move. In other words, silver just entered a no-man's land, where every tick higher rewrites 40 years of market history. Post by Mr. Uppy. Michael Olivo just predicted the price of silver will hit $160 to $240. I'll be damned, boys. $200, here we come. It's going to be a fun next few years. This post reflects the ultra-bullish long-term outlook from market analyst Michael Oliver, who's known for his momentum-based models. While $200 sounds extreme, such predictions often stem from macro-scale money supply adjustments and historical revaluation patterns. Whether or not it hits that level, the key takeaway is analyst confidence is rising and silver's long-term fundamentals are drawing serious attention. Post by Palabar. We have been expecting a new ATH for months now. Silver could trade up to $54 to $56 before pulling back. Key resistance on a closing basis will be $51 to $53.5. If that turns into support, it will be very strong. The cat is out of the bag. Palabar offers a measured technical roadmap. Resistance between $51 and $53.5 is the key zone to watch. If silver holds above it after a pullback, that becomes a foundation for a new long-term bull run. The cat is out of the bag reflects the idea that institutional players are already moving in, and retail awareness is now catching up. The overall message from all these experts is clear. Silver has entered a breakout phase, breaking multi-decade resistance. The next major zone sits around $54 to $57, beyond which the sky opens for higher valuations. Analysts differ on timing, but long-term sentiment remains strongly bullish. No matter the short-term pullbacks, silver is once again becoming the centerpiece of global commodity discussion, just like gold. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informative purposes only. It does not provide financial advice or recommendations. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.